Number 1. 1965 Chevrolet C20 Apache, $12,800, Nordland, Washington. This 1965 Chevrolet C20 Apache offers a running straight-six engine paired with an automatic floor-shift transmission and a new battery. The truck is fair overall and needs attention, including body repair, a transmission fluid leak fix, and general tuning. The driver door hinges are rusted, the passenger window is off its track, and the windshield wipers need replacement. With a clean title and 98,000 miles, it is a workable classic pickup platform for restoration enthusiasts. Number 2. 1976 Ford F-250 Ranger, $5,000, Oakland West, California. This 1976 Ford F-250 Ranger features a rebuilt engine with an aluminum intake, new Holley carburetor, and a strong C6 automatic transmission. Recent brake system work includes new front calipers, pads, and soft lines. The truck runs well and is ready for use, though original smog components are missing, making emissions uncertain. It has a clean title, current tags, and an odometer that has rolled over, making it a solid work truck or light project. Number 3. 1977 Ford F-250, $2,200, Muskegon, Michigan. This 1977 Ford F-250 runs and drives, but currently lacks functional brakes due to a soft pedal. The truck wears new tires and shows rust, dents, and general wear inside and out. The tailgate is removed, and the interior is basic and aged. Despite its condition, it is structurally solid and well suited as a project, ranch truck, or winter beater. Number 4. 1989 Dodge Dakota, $1,500, Vernon, British Columbia. This 1989 Dodge Dakota regular cab long bed has a V6, rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. With 400,000 kilometers, it still runs and shifts well. Recent maintenance includes new front brakes, wheel bearings, radiator, and front-end work. It served as a dependable daily driver for a year, with a functioning heater and a clean title, making it an affordable light-duty classic. Number 5. 1984 GMC Short Box, $4,500, Overton, Nebraska. A simple and appealing 1984 GMC four-wheel drive short box pickup showing 30,000 miles on the odometer. It is a straightforward classic work truck platform with strong collector interest thanks to its body style. A clean title and manual transmission add to its appeal for hobbyists seeking a basic square body build. Number 6. 1984 GMC Pickup, $3,500, Overton, Nebraska. This 1984 GMC half-ton rear-wheel drive pickup features an automatic transmission and a dependable 350 engine that runs and drives. It includes power windows and air conditioning, making it more comfortable than most trucks of its era. With 30,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, it is a practical budget classic. Number 7. 1987 Chevrolet El Camino, $10,000, Little Elm, Texas. A clean and mostly original 1987 Chevrolet El Camino finished in purple with a clean Texas title. It has a V8 engine, rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. The odometer has rolled over, but the truck maintains a good overall condition. As one of the last model years for the El Camino, it appeals to collectors who prefer originality. Number 8. 1990 Ford Ranger, 4 parts $500, Portland, Oregon, offered strictly for parts. This 1990 Ford Ranger has significant water damage inside the cab due to a heater core leak causing mold. It was recently in an accident that damaged the rear body and front bumper, and it currently does not start because of a suspected starter or solenoid issue. With visible damage, a salvage condition, and broken odometer, it is valuable mainly for items like tires, stereo, battery, and miscellaneous components. Number 9. 1977 Chevrolet K20 Long Bed, $8,000, Los Osos, California. This 1977 Chevrolet K20 is a strong daily driver equipped with a 5.7 LGM Goodwrench replacement engine and many recently installed mechanical components. The list includes exhaust manifolds, timing chain, water pump, power steering system, ignition parts, hoses, transmission cooler, and more. Suspension updates, new tires, upgraded shocks, and a clean title in the seller's name add confidence. The odometer is broken, but condition and extensive maintenance make it a solid heavy-duty classic. Number 10, 1989 AM General M998 HMMWV, $17,500, Tucson, Arizona. This 1989 AM General M998 HMMWV is a street-legal military vehicle overhauled by the Maine Military Authority in 2005. It features a diesel V8, four-wheel drive, canvas doors, soft top, and rear troop seating. The truck has only 28,000 miles, and around 7,500 added by the current owner. It has new wheels, tires with low mileage, and lightly tinted glass. Cosmetic issues include a loose zipper on one door and a partially missing mirror pane. Overall, it is a reliable, low-mile military classic ready for recreational use. Number 11, 1968 Chevrolet C20 Custom Camper, $8,550, Placer County, California. A straight-bodied 1968 Chevrolet C20 Custom Camper with clean chrome, original tinted glass, and solid interior components. It features a newer 350 engine with a rebuilt carburetor, new ignition parts, and a tidy engine bay with no oil leaks. The bed floor and inner fenders are exceptionally preserved. It needs minor wiring attention, including alternator and gauge connections. A missing title is the main drawback, but overall condition and originality make it a desirable camper or classic. Number 12, 1948 Ford F1 Pickup, $7,875, Yucca Valley, California, stored since 1990. This 1948 Ford F1 carries a clean California title and original black and yellow plates. A previous owner swapped in an Oldsmobile 350 V8 with an automatic transmission and added an F85 insert along with air conditioning components. The truck has not run for about 20 years, but rolls and steers on recently mounted used tires. With an untouched original bench seat and classic body lines, it is a solid restoration candidate for collectors of early post-war Ford trucks.